Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel, The Online Cook. I hope everyone is doing wonderfully well today. Today we're making Nigerian boiled plantains and I am making this quickly. Now look at how well this plantain turned out. It is very simple, so tasty, and trust me, you are going to love it. All you have to do is to trust this process and the outcome is amazing. Come along with me, let's make this delicious meal together. To cook plantain, for this recipe, the first thing we are going to do is to start with cleaning. Cleaning plantain thoroughly is a must. So to clean, I'll put the plantains in a big bowl of water and I'll proceed to clean the back very well till I'm sure that the water is clear, just as can be seen in the video. Next, I'll cut off the top and bottom. Then I'll cut the plantain into my desired pieces. Because of the length and how thick this plantain is, I'll be cutting it into 3 pieces. Feel free to cut yours into your desired number of pieces or sizes. After doing this, the second thing I would do is to proceed with the cooking. To cook ripe plantains, the only thing I'll be doing is I'll pour water into the pot of plantains. Then I will ensure that all the plantains sit well in the water before I cover the pot and cook. I'll cook this or I'll boil this plantain for 10 minutes on medium heat. Here is my boiled plantain. This is after 10 minutes and it's time for me to show you how to know when your plantain is properly cooked. If you take a very good look at this boiled plantain, there is one significant difference. One, you would see or notice that the peel has shrunk back and the plantain is more visible. Now, plantain is ready and I'm about to show you exactly what it looks like in my bowl. So outside the boiling water, exactly what the plantain looks like. And to do this is very easy. Now, I'll scoop out my plantain from the hot water and I'll put it in a clean bowl. One thing about eating boiled plantains is the fact that it is sweet and lovely. So if you have a sweet tooth and you're considering tilting or moving towards naturally sweet foods, I will 100% recommend that you eat boiled plantains. As a matter of fact, many Nigerian moms introduce boiled plantains to their toddlers. Why? Because children like sweet foods, and plantain is a safe and natural sweet food that can be introduced to babies and children. But for babies, the plantains, they are mashed to a more digestible form. This is what the water I used to boil my plantain looks like, and this is the reason why plantains must be thoroughly cleaned before they are boiled, especially when you're boiling your plantain with the peel on. As I continue, I like to quickly clean the surface or my cooking surface before I peel off the skin off the plantain to show you what it looks like on the inside. And to do this, I'll simply run the tip of my knife through the skin just in a straight line and easily peel off the skin. Now let me tell you the reason why ripe plantains are cooked with the skin on. Ripe plantains are soft and they can easily be mushy and they absorb water easily. So cooking ripe plantains with the skin on helps to preserve the edible part of the plantain from becoming too soggy while boiling. I hope you will try this cooking tip and I'm so sure that when you try it, you will like it 100%. That's not to say that you cannot cook your ripe plantain with the skin off, but it is better to cook your ripe plantains with the skin on so that your plantains have a firmer texture after they are boiled. At this point, I have to say one thing about this. This recipe is worth the try, and if you trust the process and follow it step by step as I have shown you, you will surely love it. I'm about to taste my plantains because yes, I love sweet food. And I hope you like this video. Leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to this channel because I post amazing Nigerian food cooking videos every time.